Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Ali and I teach both modern standard Arabic and Egyptian dialect. In this video we're going to learn a few expressions in Egyptian dialect that Egyptians use on a daily basis. One of these expressions is Inshaa Allah. Now Inshaa Allah is a religious term that means God's willing. Now we use it every day to say that we are going to do this thing. Now Inshaa Allah means two things and it depends on the situation. One of the situations that means that I'm going to do this thing. So some friend says, Asim, are you going tomorrow to the movies? Inshaa Allah, yes, I am. Inshaa Allah. Now another situation in which Inshaa Allah means that I'm not going to be there, I'm not going to do it. So a friend of mine says, Asim, are you going tomorrow, Inshaa Allah, to the gym? I'm like, yeah, Inshaa Allah. Yeah. You see, that Inshaa Allah, that second one, that means I'll never step a foot in that gym ever again. So two usages for Inshaa Allah. One that I'll do it. The second is you'll probably never see me again.